Western Canada, known for its pristine wilderness, towering pines, and quiet mountain towns. But beneath its natural beauty, a growing threat is raging and spreading faster than ever before. Wildfires. Each summer, fire season arrives earlier. Hotter temperatures, parched soil, and relentless winds create a perfect storm. One spark, lightning, machinery, or even a stray cigarette can set off an inferno. Climate change is accelerating this crisis. Once rare megafires are becoming common. In 2023 alone, Canada faced its worst wildfire season in recorded history. On the front lines stand thousands of firefighters, local crews, Indigenous guardians of the forest, volunteers from across the country and beyond. Their mission: hold the line, protect what they can, and stay alive. Helicopters drop water with pinpoint accuracy. Crews hike into remote, burning terrain. It's exhausting, dangerous, and increasingly relentless. Every year, the fires get harder to fight. The cost isn't only human. Wildlife flee their habitats. Nesting birds perish. Rivers run black with ash. Decades-old ecosystems are wiped out in days. And recovery? For many species, it may never come. When the smoke clears, what's left behind is silence and sorrow. Entire communities turn to rubble, insurance battles, trauma, and the overwhelming question, can we ever return? Some do. Others start over, but all carry the scars of what was lost. Not just homes, but a sense of safety. Can we learn to live with fire? Some communities are rebuilding smarter, clearing fuel around homes, using fire-resistant materials, supporting prescribed burns, and working with Indigenous fire knowledge keepers. But the bigger challenge remains: tackling climate change at its root. If nothing changes, the fire seasons will only get worse. This isn't just a Western Canada story, it's a global warning. The forests may burn, but resilience grows in those who stay, fight, and rebuild. We still have time to adapt, to protect, and to act. Because behind every escape is the hope of return.